It's a Plymouth.
Why didn't they make it a Fargo?
I have no idea. That thing, we drove it up onto the trailer.
I saw that,
I know.
and I
Tilt, cruise, air.
it's loaded.
Yep. The only thing, it's got power locks, but no power windows. I don't know if that was an option or not.
Windows probably work.
Yeah, well, everything else is there. And no rust. Oh, except for the floor pan, because the window was broke out for 18 years. So the guy gave me a floor pan for that side.
Anyway, I was just watching all your videos, and I wanted to see this. And I just watched the reunion of you and the dogs.
Oh,
That was cool.
roll underneath there, look up underneath. It's gonna make you gag. You can do it. You're not that old yet.
Arizona truck?
Yep. We don't get them like this up here. I don't know if the roof's ever been off.
I've got all the moldings for this.
Really? Yeah, because it's the same as a. Is it the same as a short box? Or is this the same length as a short box?
Yeah, it would be. Yeah.
So it's not like the Blazers where they were shorter than a short box. This is like a full.
This is a 9 though, right?
79, yep. Really? I mean,
Yeah.
like I said, we fired it up, drove it onto the truck. Guy gave me a couple spare seats. I need a dash. You got a red. The thing was, somebody said red's really hard to find upholstery.
God, I can't remember. I had a 78 red SE.
How's the dash?
Oh, you know, I don't think I kept it. Cool.
It is cool. What do you think it's worth? I got a bunch of people bugging me and I have no idea.
The way it is?
Yeah. It drives. The only thing is they've got a gallon jug for gas because he said the gas tank was full of goop. I mean, we drove it on the trailer. I know. I know I'm never going to get another one.
No. Yeah. And I don't know if they are available in Canada.
Nope. Somebody said they never made them here. American only. And like, it was top of the line. Trail Duster Sport Prospector. So I was like,
And I guess that's why it wasn't a Fargo, because it was on the States.
yeah, that's right, yeah. I mean, Plymouth only made trucks a couple years, didn't they?
As far as I know, yeah. Mid or late 70s.
Yeah, but anyway, sport. Anyway, it's pretty cool. I've got a bunch of guys, what do you want for it? I don't even know if I'm selling it yet. Once I take the top off and get it running, I'm going to be highly motivated not to sell it.
Last year of the removable?
Yep, I think so, 79, I think, yep. Because the first years they cut this off and glued it to the roof, but I think the rollover protection wasn't there because then they did like the Blazers, right?
Or is this removable? Okay.
Yeah, but in 73 and 4,
Yeah.
it was just the glass, and then this was actually welded to the roof, this part. It was a pretty clean truck.
Two-wheel drives are even rarer.
Are they? Oh, yeah.
But you don't.
Beggars can't be choosers. I mean, fuck, I looked at it for 3 days, and last day of the swap meet, went over and lowballed the guy.
I saw that.
Well, we still had to drive it 2,000 kilometers to get it home. Had to tow it, right?
So how in the hell did you pay duty, or your broker paid duty?
Yeah, I don't even know what it cost. I think it cost me about $500 to get it across. But we just sent my broker all the paperwork, and we showed up at the border 3 days later, and guy just said, "Welcome back." Didn't even look at it. All the paperwork was there. I need one of these if you got one. Did you got one? I know.
Oh,
Spread tire rack.
Randy might have one.
Oh, really?
Halliburton?
Yeah. Daryl.
Dwayne,
yeah, right. Okay, yeah. They're thinking Randy Mobile, yeah. Anyway, yeah, I'll ask him. It's a pretty cool rig.
Yeah. Anyway, I just wanted to stop and say, awesome videos, guys.
Yeah.
I liked your epiphany going through Colorado.
Yeah, well, it was pretty well. Like Matt said, just talk about what talk about your life. And then there was just me and the car and the canyons, and it was pretty special moment for me
Yeah,
too, man.
it was.
Just driving, right? Like just
And Bryce Canyon was,
Bryce.
spiritual.
yes. Oh, I cried. Holy this is so pretty. Like it's hard to believe there's places on earth that are that. Yeah, it was. Somebody said, "Did you really cry or were you faking it?" I said, "No, it was just."
You don't do fake.
I try not to, right? That's why I try not to lie. My memory's so bad I can't remember them. It's amazing how you can remember the truth, eh?
Right. Okay, I knew it was here, and I've
Yeah.
seen it a couple of times, and I thought, you know what?
What do you think it's worth? I've had different guys. I've had guys tell me, Mike, that thing should be worth 15 to 20,000 the way it sits Canadian, which is only 15 grand. I mean, normally they're rotten.
Yeah.
So you're going to spend 15,000 in rust repair, and then you got one that's patched. So I don't know.
I would think that's the ballpark. Yeah.
Yep. Because somebody's going to want it for sure.
You don't see them on the road anymore.
No. I mean, like you see lots of Blazers, you see tons of Broncos, but I mean, to see a Dodge, it's just even the Ram Chargers. I think they just rotted, especially up here, right?
Yeah, they did.
Right? Because I mean, I've had a couple Ram Chargers, and they weren't worth bringing back, and that's saying a lot for Rust Brothers. They were just rotten. But Arizona, no salt. Anyway, maybe I'll just put it online and auction it off to the highest bidder.
Well, you're going to have another auction coming up here soon anyway.
If I got to kick down the street. Yeah, thanks, buddy. Kick me in the nuts while I'm back.
Hey, nice to meet you, Matt. How's it going?
Good.
Where are you from?
Salmon Arm.
Oh, cool.
Southern Valley.
Southern, yeah.
Oh, yes, nice.
Actually, he's right on the right going up the hill.
Towards Carl?
No, just going up the hill towards Dairy Queen. He's on the right.
Oh, okay, yeah. Oh, okay, cool. Dairy
Come on.
Queen.
Take care.
Take care.
How's it going? Nice.
That was a road trip.
Yeah, hey, look what I bought back.
I didn't know you had sold anything.
Yeah. The 41 three-window business coupe.
Oh, is that the... Okay.
Right? The one with the trunk that's 12 feet long. Sold it to Dubs at the auction. He lowballed it, and I bought it back. Here, come and check out the Roadrunner. While you're here.
Oh, the orange one.
Yeah? While you're here, and there's a little nickel floor.
Very nice.
Really polish it. You got dust. Like Greg says, you guys paint in a cave. No wonder you get dirt. But anyway, there were some bonkers, but they sounded right out, so we polish it. Remember that we tried a different color black, but it faded out enough for us, and they were going to stick with that. Still got to polish the hood. We went with the 69 color scheme, eh? He said, I don't like the cross, I don't like the black across the hood. I think this looks better. So what do you think? Orange or black?
Black.
Yeah, okay. We might just do an orange accent in the middle where the 383 goes.
Yeah, those should be nice car.
Yeah, well, it was a big block sports satellite. We didn't have a good grill for it. So I said, fuck, we had no Roadrunner shit. Put it on. We had Roadrunner tail panel, Roadrunner tail lights, Roadrunner grill, Roadrunner hood. No brainer. I mean, it doesn't really detract from the. So doing a sports satellite, doing a sports satellite. I says, I like the hood on the Roadrunner better. And I have 3 grills. So, anyway. And then we're not that you give a shit. We're working on a Chevy too. '70 convertible. This is the one they repoed. ICBC took back. It's been stolen. We went to register and it was stolen in 1999. I guess it's unlike it's like a debt to the crown. ICBC never forgives, never forgets. So I had to buy it back at auction. It was all stripped down to bare metal, sat out in the snow for 3 months, and then I bid at the auction and got it back. But you only get one bid. It's not like an auction. You just put in a sealed bid and highest one got it. So that's what the frame's for, right?
So where did you pick this up, Mike?
Last
Original.
fall.
Where though?
I can't tell you. Anyway, there was some guy that had it for 15 years, and we ran all the numbers and came back clean. So I said I bought it. Price was right. But then when we went to actually register it, even though we ran the numbers through CPIC and that, it came back clean. Once we went to Axel ICBC, it popped up as stolen. So first thing I know, there's a cop in a tow truck here saying, "Where's the car?" It's in my shop. Come and get it. Yeah.
Has that been the only one
What? Yep.
that you had issues with?
Yeah. So I mean, I've been pretty lucky. I mean, 1,000 cars. I mean, sooner or later, but I'm lucky enough I got it back because I ordered all new fenders for it, ordered all new upholstery for it. Because once the numbers came back clean, we figured, okay, we're home free. It'll be a month to get paperwork and let's start on it.
So what year is it?
70, the best year. I mean, it came with a big block hood, came with a 12 bolt. It's got a hard top frame, so that's what the frame is. I just found my buddy had a Buick rag, same frame. GM, all GM rags, 68 to 72s, basically the same frame.
So LS6 clone?
Well, actually a little better, 516 horse.
Cool.
Yeah, anyway, Maduro blue with the white stripes. That's the color it was, right? So, and they only brought 350, 70 rags in Canada, so it's a pretty rare car for up here. Yeah, this is the frame we're putting on it, right? Because all the convertibles are boxed, just like all the Dodge ones have the torque boxes on them. Well, the Chevys just put this piece in between the front dip and the back dip. They weld this whole piece in. So then we'll put the body on that and then do our final gaps and everything once it's mounted on this. Nothing but work. Good to be retired, eh?
It helps.
Yeah, well, no. I'm gonna go back to Chase for one more month. Finish that up.
Yeah, they're sure chewing away at the Cald Hill. That's
Oh, no doubt. Well, they got lucky. They had a mild winter and, right, I think they're 3-4 months ahead of schedule. Just because they got lucky, right? It wasn't 30 below and,
well, is Chase taking a little while?
well, they stopped it for 5 months now. Engineering issues with the where we were bolting it all. Well, we couldn't test the bolts because the ground was so bad, so they shut us down in December, and now I think we're starting back in a week or two. So I had a month's worth of work there, and then I'm done. I can't finish anything until we go back and grow them up and test them. So I'd like to get back there and get that out of my way, and I'm going to retire for the 3rd time.
You heard it here, folks. First, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Thanks, man. Have a good day.
Hey, Mike.
See you, Neil.
Yep.